Have you been dreaming of owning a piece of the Florida Keys? Right behind me here is a spectacular property that just hit the market for under $900,000. It's just shy of 1,200 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, sits on an incredible canal right here. We are a minute from the ocean and it is so, so beautiful. We're gonna show you all that footage right here. So stay tuned with me because this property behind me is not your average listing here in the Florida Keys. We are on the Big Pine Key. We sit right on Gulf Boulevard here. There is a lot of properties for sale throughout the Keys, but there's no other property like this. And the reason why is that it's been fully renovated just about 6 months ago with some of the most incredible finishes. The owners of this property, and this is a for sale by owner, they unfortunately had to move for work. So now this property is gonna be hitting the market. They're gonna be selling it. And they decked this thing out. This is not your standard, investor comes in, wants to flip the property. They did everything so they can live here, replaced all the windows, doors, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, every single detail of this property. And I know I want to slow down real quick because I got to show you this. If you're not here, you need to come see this. If you're watching this up north and you're in a snowstorm right now, book a flight, get down here, see this, reach out. All the contact information is below here if you're watching this video. But guys, imagine sitting here, 77 degrees out right now. What is it, February sometime? It's amazing. This is unbeatable. I came to the Florida Keys in 2018. I was blown away by just the peacefulness, the serenity. On Big Island Key here, there is an entire, basically family of deer. We just saw 2 right out here. We'll show you in this video. There's so much nature, there's so much wildlife, and you get to experience not this luxury right here, which basically feels like a Miami penthouse, but with the serenity and the peacefulness of the Florida Keys. It's unbeatable, guys. So, kitchens and bathrooms sell houses. They decked both of them out here. They did not spare any expense on appliances, finishes. This is real marble floor. They didn't come in here and slap down some LVP, anything cheap. These cabinets are fully custom, soft close, quartz countertops, perfect. All your gold finishes here, gold finish fixtures up here. The blue cabinets, honestly, the white and the blue, it separates. So many places are just all white these days. This breaks up that white. It's beautiful. Gotta take a quick break from the tour to show you what the Keys is truly all about. We're out here. John, what key are we on right now? Content Keys, the perfect spot. But seriously, this is what the Keys is all about. We just took about a 45-minute boat ride out here. It is absolutely beautiful. We're making 3 more stops. You're gonna see it all here. Give us about 1 minute and we're gonna give you a true tour of the Keys, not just a house tour, but when you live here, this is what you get. Enjoy. We're now here on Content Island, absolutely gorgeous. We actually got the beach here, the mangrove tree in the background. The mangroves are one of the largest natural species of the Keys. It's actually what created the Keys. The roots right there go into the sand and they catch more sand around them and they create all of the 100 miles of islands along here. So when you buy this house and you live here, this is what you're gonna get to experience. Bring your boat out here any day you want. Park here, bring the family, bring friends. You're gonna absolutely love it. We're having one of the best times ever. Back to it. You're obviously on pilings here, so you don't have to worry too much about any sort of hurricanes coming in. This island's been very protected from a lot of them, which is amazing. You have this nice big family room. It is about 12 in the afternoon right now. Lots and lots of natural light, no problem there. We even have this built-in, I gotta show you this detail because it's something I love. Built-in TV, perfect, amazing. Built-in fireplace, love that. And I hope you see it all in this video. There's so many details that the owner did to this property. I'm gonna show you the primary over here. But there's so many details that the owner did to this property that really set it apart from all the other properties down here that are for sale or have even been sold recently. Over here, primary bedroom. Something I love about this bedroom, stay there, Brock. I wanna show people how big this is. You have this entire sliding glass here. So let's say you're with your spouse, whoever, you wanna hop outside for a little bit, late at night, early in the morning, sip on your coffee out there, enjoy a cigar by the fire. You can do that right from your primary bedroom. Nice big closet here, plenty of space for clothes. Show them the pink wall. You gotta show them this, it's great. We love this. The ladies love this. Obviously this house is pink. The person who's selling this, his wife, she loves the pink here. Beautiful. Coming in here, okay? Incredible bathroom. Something that I love that they did here was one, as you can see, these incredible fixtures. This is not builder grade, this is not standard. Super decked out, vanity, mirror. It's even anti-fall. They do that now. And you can change the lighting here. So you can do like a soft white, a more brown. I love that. I love the more darker tan brown. Now this right here, okay? This thing's massive. You have water or rainfall right here, plus the wand, which is incredible. And I said I was gonna turn on this video, let's see. There you go. Imagine enjoying a beautiful shower in here, some evening by yourself, with your spouse, whoever, is perfect. Plenty of closet space in here for any linens. As we come out here, you do have your own washer and dryer here. All your utilities are in here, which is great. Brand new washer and dryer in here, so you're not going any laundry mats, anything like that. When you spend a little bit under $900,000 on a home, you better have a brand new washer and dryer with it. It would be silly if you didn't. Bathroom number 2 here, same thing. Brock, show them this. Incredible mirror, vanity combo. But what I really want to point out about this bathroom here, step over there, Brock, I gotta show them this. Double entry, double open. This is absolutely spectacular. Once again, rainfall. I love this. Infinity edge shower. You just can't beat it. I love how that meets in the middle. That's brilliant. That's actually the first time I've seen that, and I love it. Bedroom 2 over here. If you got a little one, which they did, sub as nursery, super, super cute. Obviously this house, I mean, if you're a couple and you want to retire down here, come down here, have this spot for the grandkids, for your kids, whoever. If you're a young couple, get down here, enjoy the peace and quiet. I live a very busy life as a realtor. I'm always running, going to listings, properties, all that. And the reason I end up in the Keys about every other month is because of the peacefulness, the serenity. It's so incredible. You're gonna see in just a few moments here, we're about to take a boat ride, and we're gonna head out to some sandbars in just a few hours, cruise around the Keys. This is 100 miles of islands. There is no place in the US like this. The Keys feels like sort of a third world country, like you're not in the US, while you're still in the safety of the US. You have an incredible real estate market here. You have an incredible neighborhood. You're close to every possible place you could want to be close to. And you can raise kids here. You can use it as a vacation spot. You can use it as a long-term rental, month at a time. You can do anything you want to do here. And look at this. It's just a piece of paradise. You are able to truly own a piece of paradise here. If you got questions or you want to get into this property, which I'm sure you do, check the information below here. Send them, give them a call. Give the owner a call. He'll get right back to you. You gotta come see this place. It is spectacular. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the footage here because the house is only half of the investment here. You're really buying into the Keys life, everything the Florida Keys has to offer, which I just cannot recommend enough. There's nothing else like this. Enjoy. I hope you're able to call this place home very, very soon.